Day 2 in Hong Kong. The plan today is to go up to a beautiful viewpoint of the entire city, and I didn't charge my camera, so I'm gonna cut straight to the fun part to save a battery. Okay, so see you guys there. This view is incredible, man. This is insane. Look. Over there's a whole touristic center with all types of stuff to buy. I walk right past, straight to the view, and I'm not buying anything either. I don't need anything, I just came here for the view. This is the other side of the view. The view looks good. So, bro, life is really whatever you want it to be, right? Today, this morning, I was like, okay, I gotta go to this viewpoint. And so I did. Really, it is that easy. I took the bus, I went up here. Now here we are. But same as with the big stuff, the big decisions you make in life, all have to do with an idea you come up with. If it's, you know, something you want to do, that means that you came up with it. It's popped up in your head, in your imagination, in your dreams, in whatever it might be. It popped up as inspiration, or it popped up somewhere and you came up with the idea. And now there's a difference, but there are two people in life. There are people who take that idea and go with it, they run with it, they chase after it, they attract it, they fulfill the desire, they fulfill the wish, they fulfill the dream, the idea, whatever it might be, right? They do anything to accomplish that achievement, that goal. And then there's the other person who just, you know, they get the idea, because everyone gets the idea, everyone gets the dream, everyone gets to partake in the task of imagining, in the task of imagination. But as I said, there are some people who have it and they don't do anything with it. They don't fulfill that wish. They just ruminate on the idea. They just daydream about it. They think about it and never take action. I've had far too many times I've been that person. But lately I've been more like the other person, the one who does go and does those things that need to be done, right? Yeah, I hope the Yap does the view justice, and just, right, work for yourself. If not, you're working for someone else, which, good or bad, is maybe not ideal. So that's just a reminder, I guess. I don't know, that's the Yap of today. So Hong Kong is amazing. So far, I love it. This evening, I'm going to a different city, Shenzhen. The icon is showing that my battery's given up, and it's gonna be great. Hopefully, I get back to the city with the bus right now to Hong Kong. I charge my camera. That's the plan, and then I go to the train station, and then with the train to Shenzhen, I catch my booking there Yeah, and that's this evening, and now it's I think around 2 p.m. So yeah, let's go.